Good guys. By the way, my name is Johnny P. Kinatakaan. My own perception and my own political orientation is I choose politicians. So when we took up politicians, it is a state of a person, right? So like for instance, in the Philippines, 'di ba? We are a form of government democracy. So for example, ikaw ay tumatakbo, no, sa election, no, sa halalan. So all the people, those voters is we are a power, 'di ba? Right? So magpipili po tayo sa kanila kung sino ang pipiliin natin, bobotohan natin. So for me, that is my politicians because that is my democracy. So we are a power, 'di ba? Dahil hindi po sila makakaupo kung walang mga tao na nakasuporta sa kanila. So that's why politicians is like a democracy government. Thank you.